Hi, I'm Maren from Chanhassen Library, and I'm going to share a Swedish star paper craft with you today. I've made mine out of book pages, but it's a star, it's a traditional craft that is called the Swedish star. And what you need to do the craft, you don't need much. You need some heavier weight paper. I used book pages that are a little heavier. You need the ruler, pencil, scissors, and glue. That's all you need. So to start out with, I have cut strips. This is about 8 inches for the book page size, and I've cut them in 3/8 inch, just a little bit over 1/4 inch. It's a nice size to work with. When I cut the pages, I did cut off the white margin here, but I didn't worry about the white on the ends of the pages because I think that works out for the star. You can see it just kind of makes an interesting design to have the white on there, but I didn't really want it in the middle of the star, so that's why I didn't use the white margin on the side. So to get started, I'm going to lay out 2 pieces in a cross. I'm going to line them up on another piece of paper just so I know that I'm getting it at right angles. And since these are 8 inches apart, I am going to measure to see that I have it about 4 inches there and about, yeah, it looks like it's right about in the middle both ways. And just line them up. You do kind of want to get this started in a good, even way. Otherwise, your star might come out a little bit lopsided, but hey, it's handmade, so if it does, that's okay too. And I'm just putting a little dot of glue on there to fasten it. There we go. So we've got our first pieces together. And now I'm going to start weaving the other strips of paper. So I'm going to start here. This one comes up, and so this one's going to go under. And I'm going to put a little glue on there just to hold it in place. And I found that it's easiest if I just turn the paper, and because I'm going to be laying the strip on top of this one and putting the glue on that just to keep it tacked down. Here goes the next one. This is, let's see, I'm going to be going, oh, I need this one to be up. There we go. So I'm going to put my little strip, little bit of glue there. Go. Now, these 2 are under the top, so I'm lifting them up and putting my next strip in. So we're just weaving them together. And I just realized I forgot to tell you how many strips of paper you need. We're starting with 10 for this star, and then to combine them, we'll be doing a second star. So you'll need 20 altogether. If you wanted to, you could do it just with 3, and I could start making a star at this point, but I just want you to see the full size. From the example that I already made. So here we go. So you're going to end up with 5 strips on each side. And I'm watching to make sure that I get the edges even together. There we go. And you do want an even number, like it wouldn't work if I just used 4 on a side. I need a 5 altogether. Nope. Oh. I think I goofed a little on that one. I needed the glue on the other piece, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work. There we go. And last strip. So I hope you can see how these are weaving together. And now I have all of the strips glued in. I'm going to pull it up off the piece of paper so they don't dry to it. But I have 5 on each side. So I have another one that I've already done here, and I'm going to show you the next step. And it's dried. So this is a part that I kind of couldn't remember correctly and goofed up to start with, but you're going to take these strips here and bring them together. You're going to curl them together to make a point just like that. So I'm going to get a little bit of glue. And put those 2 pieces together there. Oh. Now the next 2, put a little bit of glue on there. Being a little klutzy with the glue here. Here's the next one. Right, I leave this one for the middle. I'm just doing 2. There. Turn it again. Almost there. Right. Last corner. And there. There's one piece of the star. Now I already have another piece that I've already done, and this is where we glue them together to make a three-dimensional effect. And the trick here to remember is that you're putting the loops together. So you're not going this way, you're going with the loops together. And then you're going to turn it so these long pieces go into the loops of the star points, if that makes sense. So I'm going to put some glue on my strip here, slide it into these 2 points, and glue it down. I'm trying to do this fairly fast so we're not watching this forever, but you get the idea. I'm going to put the next one in. So pulling it through to the inside of the star points and tacking it down. Here we go with the next one. There we go. Get maybe some glue right there. Got quite a few more here. There. And looks like we have just 2 more here. Now the traditional Swedish stars would have been made with very thin strips of wood, and they're really beautiful too. But this is a nice version that anyone can do. And I think you could use it for decorating during the holiday season. Putting on a package. They're just fun to do. And there you have it. It's a Swedish star. If you wanted, you could maybe put a little string and hang it up in a window. That's pretty traditional with the Swedish stars. And I think it comes out pretty fun. So thank you for watching. And if you want to find out more, go to carverlib.org. CARVERLIB.org. Thank you.